In this video, you'll learn how to enable USB debugging on your Google Pixel 3a or Pixel 3a XL. This process is crucial for developers or users who need to connect their device to a computer for various tasks such as file transfers or app development. Begin by accessing the Settings app on your device. You can find this icon typically represented by a gear symbol on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down until you see the option labeled About Phone. Tap on this option to continue. Next, locate the build number entry within the About Phone section. It may be listed towards the bottom of the screen. You need to tap on build number 7 times in quick succession. As you tap, you may be prompted to enter your PIN for security verification. After the 7th tap, a message will appear indicating that developer options have been activated. Understanding this step is essential as it grants access to advanced settings that are necessary for enabling USB debugging. Now that developer options are activated, return to the main settings menu. From there, navigate to System, which is usually located towards the bottom of the list. Within the System section, you will find Developer Options. Tap on this to access the Developer Options menu. Once in the Developer Options, scroll down until you find the toggle labeled USB debugging. Switch this toggle to the on position. A confirmation prompt may appear on the screen. Be sure to confirm this action. Enabling USB debugging allows your Pixel 3 or 3 XL to communicate effectively with computers. It is important to understand the purpose of this feature to ensure secure usage and to prevent accidental data exposure. To confirm that USB debugging is functioning correctly, connect your device to a computer using a USB cable. A prompt will appear on your phone asking for authorization to allow USB debugging with that computer. Make sure to grant this authorization. You can test the connection by attempting to access files or running development tools. If your computer recognizes your device without issues, then USB debugging is successfully enabled. This setup is essential for app development, testing, or advanced troubleshooting on your Pixel. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.